Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can check which models you have installed in Ollama. Also I'm going to show you how you can check parameters of those models and also how you can remove if you have more models and you want to empty some space maybe. So we're gonna look at this, how you can do this, and it's really simple. I'm currently on Mac, but it's working on Windows too. So we're gonna have same commands on Windows and Mac, but a different terminal. So if you are on Mac, you want to go to your Spotlight and you want to search for terminal. If you are on Windows, you want to open your search bar too and you want to type CMD and open command prompt. And then we can move to the commands. So the first command is going to show us what models we have installed on our computer. And we can use Ollama, a list. Press enter, and here you're gonna see name of the models which you have. So I have currently the DeepSeek Cloud, which is not like installed in my computer. And then we have Ollama 3.1, which you can see that this has 5 gigabytes because this is running locally on my computer. You can see the date when this was modified or installed. And if you want to check more parameters about this, you can type Ollama show, and then you can simply copy this first part or the name of the model, paste it in, Ctrl V, or you can type it also manually, press enter, and it's going to show you everything about this model. So you can see architecture, we can see parameters, which is like model size. Bigger number means usually it's smarter, but also it might be slower and heavier. Then you have context length, which is how much text it can handle at once. Bigger number means it can read longer documents without forgetting the beginning. And then embedding length and quantization is not that important. So now if you like to remove some models, you want to type again Ollama, then RM, which means like, or which is a shortcut for remove. And then again, we want to copy, or you can type it manually, the name of the model. So if I want to remove this, I can paste it in and it's going to remove this model. And now if I type Ollama list, you can no longer see the model here. And we have like 5 gigabytes removed from our computer. And if you want to again install it, you want to select it in your Ollama and you want to type some message and it's going to start downloading the model again. And that's it for this video. So if you found this video at least a little bit helpful, consider subscribing for more tutorials like this one.